Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will create a 2D object so that everybody can practice. Today we are going to create this object. So first of all I am copying this and pasting it in our AutoCAD working sheet. Okay, so we have to create this object. First of all, if we see, here is a line and here is another center line and there is another two center line. So first of all I am going to create this line and this line. So I am going to my from my working sheet I am setting to drafting and annotations. After settings I am going to line command and here I am drawing a line. So if we see our line, the length is basically from here is 65 and 65 plus more than 65 and here is another 31. Okay, so I am taking a randomly, suppose 100, enter. So here you can see my line is showing so much bigger. So and I can't, okay, so I can zoom in, zoom out, so, and fit for and keep fit to the our screen. But here our drawing which we have copied, it has become too much small. So I am going to suppose here it is and I am stretching it. Okay, move. Okay, so I am going to now draw this line. Suppose from here, right button, enter. Now here another two line here, so they are distance from 110 mm and the distance of this line which is vertical, this line is 65 mm. So I am offsetting this line to 65 mm. So I am going to here offset. Here is our offset, and the distance is 65 mm, 65, enter. Then we are selecting the object and then select the side, enter. Right button, enter. Now here is another two line which is apart from 110 mm from each other. So I will offset this line up to 55 mm, sorry 55 mm in both sides. So I am going to offset again. Now distance is 55, enter. Now select this line in this side, again this line in that side. Okay, here is our offset created. Now here we will draw two circles. One is radius of 20 mm and another is 31 mm. So I am going to draw a circle here. Circle. So first one is 20 mm. So make sure that this is radius circle, 20 in 20. Now another one is 31. So again selecting circle, then select the center point and radius of 31. Enter. Now if you see, here are 6 holes. So we will create this. Here is actually two circle. One is outer one is 8 mm radius and the inner one is 4 mm radius. So I am drawing a circle here. Again going to circle here, 8 mm, enter. And then another one is 4 mm radius, 4, enter. Then here we have to trim the unwanted part. So I am selecting this right button, then select this part and this part. Here also see there is no this part, this part, this part and that part. Now right button and enter. So to create the 6 pieces we are going to use polar array. So here is polar array. We will select the polar array, then select the object. Here is our object, this one and this one. Right button. Now select the center point. So this is our center point. Okay. Here by default it is 6 selected. If there is no 6 selected, then we have to keep 6. Then close the array. Now we will trim our unwanted parts. So I am selecting this, right button, this part, this part, this part. Okay, I think we are done. Now right button, enter. Now if we see, here is one circle. The outer one is 15 mm radius, and the inner one is 10 mm radius. So I am going to draw a circle here. Circle. Here, outer one is 15 mm, enter, and the inner one is 10 mm radius, 10. Now I have to copy this circle in this part also. So I am selecting the circles, copy, this center will be in this center. Right button, enter. Now if you see, here is a line which is connected to this circle, and here is another line which is connected to that circle. So I am going to draw this line. I am going to select line command and select this part. Okay, suppose this one. Now I am going to create this arc portion. So to create this arc portion, I am going to fillet. Okay, again clicking the fillets. Okay, fillet. From here select the radius of 18 mm. So I am inputting 18, enter. Then select this line and the circle. Now we will just mirror this object in this part. So I am going to mirror it. So go to mirror, select this arc, this line, right button, and select this as a mirror line. So erase the source object, no, the enter. Okay, here we have created this portion. Now we have to create this circle here and this arc portion. So to create this arc portion, first I am going to create a circle of which will be tangent to this one and this circle. So I am selecting a 10-10 radius circle. So 10-10 radius. So first one is this one and this one. Then radius is So we are going to select this, select the 10-10 circle from here. Okay. Here we will select 10-10 radius circle, then select this circle and this circle, and the radius will be 100 mm. So I am putting 100, enter. Now we will trim the unwanted parts. So I am going to trim this part. Okay, and this part. Right button, enter. Now we have to create another circle here. So I am extending this select all. So I am just copying this circle, these two circles to pair. So copy, this part will be here, right button, enter. So our object is created. Now we can delete our unwanted parts. Suppose these parts. So our object is created. Hope you have understood how can we create this object. Thanks for being with us. Thanks.